understand.
You press the button. That one. And you get water.
You're kidding me.
No, press the button.
But I get my water from streams. There's no way it comes from a water fountain.
Press the button. You'll get your water. Press hard.
This is some black magic.
No, it's just a water fountain.
It's evil.
No, it's not.
Water.
No, it's not. It's pure water. It's done by God magic.
God, this is awesome. I love the future. It actually tastes good. It doesn't have dirt and bugs in it.
Good job, Hiccup.
Okay, I'm done.